Hello, welcome back to another video. Imagine a warehouse with 50,000 products moving every day. Orders coming in, trucks arriving, workers scanning items. But here's the question, how do companies know exactly where every single product is at any moment? And what if one wrong inventory entry stops the entire production line? So this is where the warehouse management in Dynamics 365 becomes powerful. Most people think warehouse works in just storing products and in on shelves. So this most people think that warehouse works in just storing products in the shelves, but in reality modern warehouse use smart system. Modern warehouse uses the mobile scanners, that is the handheld device, and automated process to track every movement. But how does it actually works inside Dynamics 365 supply chain management? Let's break it down. By the end of this video, you'll understand what is warehouse management Dynamics 365 FNO actually is, how companies manage inventory, orders, shipments efficiently, why companies use mobile devices and automation in warehouse, and most importantly, why this module is critical for manufacturing, retail, and distribution companies. Okay. Now, if you are learning Dynamics 365 finance and operation and preparing for Dynamics 365 supply chain interviews, working in ERP, logistic and inventory management, then this video will help you understand the real purpose of the warehouse management system. Warehouse management might sound simple, but behind the scene, it is one of the most complex and powerful modules in Dynamics 365 supply chain management. And what you are about to learn might surprise you in this particular video. And as we are learning all the things related to supply chain management, so you will understand the slowly process, because in one video you have to cover one thing at a time, one by one, like that way, and you have to give the time, then only you will be able to learn. Okay. Now, in Microsoft Dynamics 365 supply chain management, the warehouse management module helps companies manage all warehouse operations. So, operations like receiving the goods, storing the products, picking the items for orders, then packing and shipping. So it also connects the other business process like transportation, like manufacturing, purchase order, sales order, return. So all these are connected to each other. So the warehouse is not working alone, it is connected to the entire supply chain management system, or it's connected to entire supply chain system. Imagine you run an online electronic stores and one day you receive 200 orders for laptops. Now think about this question, that where are the laptops stored, which worker should pick them, which truck will deliver them, how do we avoid sending the wrong product to the wrong customers. Okay, so without a system, worker might search for item manually, so this cause delay, then there can be wrong shipments, there can be loss of inventory. Also there can be loss of inventories. There will be the angry customers if he will receive the wrong product, so he becomes angry. It's very simple, right? But with warehouse management in Dynamics 365 finance and operation supply chain management, every step becomes organized and automated. Okay, so quick question to you, have you ever received the wrong product from an online order? If yes, comment yes, and if no, then also comment no. Okay, so here is the surprising fact, large companies like Amazon handle millions of warehouse operations daily, and system like Dynamics 365 supply chain management help manage that complexity. Now let's see how the system actually works. Warehouse management in Dynamics 365 focuses on optimizing the warehouse operation. So let's break the key part in the warehouse management. That is, first of all, there is a receiving inventory. Receiving inventory means when goods arrive at the warehouse, worker can scan items using the mobile devices. The system automatically record the inventory. Now the question to you, that do you think manual entry is better or safer, or the scanning with the device is safer? So if you'll scan, it will reduce the human mistakes, right? So that's why the receiving inventory one of the operations in the warehouse. Now the second one is the put away process. What is put away process? After receiving items, the system decides where should the product be stored. For example, in rack A, shelf B, bin C, this organized storage and the faster picking later. So whenever you'll pick that item, so if you'll organize in a better way, through the storage dimension, then at the time of picking it will be faster. So this is the put away process. Now the third process is that picking process. What is picking process? When a customer place an order, then the system generates the picking instruction to the system, and then worker receives the task on the mobile device telling them that which item to pick and from which location the worker need to pick that item, also in what sequence, if there is any sequence, then in what sequence you need to pick that particular item or particular product. So this saves huge time in large warehouse. Okay, after that picking process, there is a packing and shipping process. What does it actually mean, packing and shipping? Once item is picked, then they are packed, then shipment level are generated from the system, then it will be pasted on that product. After that, delivery trucks are assigned to that, and delivery trucks are assigned, and then everything is tracked in the real time in the systems. Okay, but here is the interesting question to you, that what happen if a product fails the quality control or is returned by the customer, then what will happen? So the system can automatically process the returns and update the inventory. So there is a system for each and everything. So we have to follow certain steps. If it's not match the quality control and even the customer returns, then there is a process, return order process. Okay, but here is something surprising most people do not realize, and that is the warehouse management is not just about storage. It is actually connects multiple business departments together, including the manufacturing, transportation, sales, the quality control. So one warehouse action can affect the entire supply chain. The Now the future of the warehouse management is become even more advanced, like companies are using automation, robots and the automated storage systems are being integrated with a ERP system. Then there is a mobile devices, like a warehouse worker uses a handheld scanner device, then they use the mobile application instead of the paperwork. Then one of the most important advantages is that the real-time data. So managers can see inventory levels, they can see the order status, they can see warehouse performance, all in the real time. So this is having the great advantages. And why this actually matters? Because for business this means the faster deliveries to the customer, then it can slow down or lower the cost, then better inventory control, higher customer satisfaction. And for professional, those who are learning Dynamics 365 FNO, warehouse management is very valuable skill. So that's why also it's required. Okay, so in this video we have just discussed what is warehouse management, and I have just given some overview, some process in warehouse management. Okay, in next videos also we'll go in the deeper sections, and we'll see try to see other thing as well. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.